So I can explain a lot, but what will happen, even if I explain a lot and you get a lot of information, it will not help. Even if you put the whole Google in your mind, it will not help. So first of all, if you do knee replacement, anything in your body, the body tries to reject it. So you will have to go through steroid therapy for a period of time. What will the steroid do? It will numb the body's response, what we call as immunity. So it will numb the body's response. So the recovery factor, because of steroid therapy, the recovery factor of your body will crash down. And this multiple problem will become monster. Right? But nobody will connect the dot. Because somebody has treated you. So he has done something good. But nobody will connect the dot. The treatment itself will get you into a crash. What happened to Atal Bihari Vajpayee? When his knees were not replaced, at least he could do some work. After knee replacement, he was on wheelchair. And he passed away. So most of the time, what will happen? What? Yeah?
He was
most of the time. So what is the solution? Can you go for knee replacement? That's your choice, but it is not a very good choice. It is not a good choice. Not solve any problem. Okay. Even if I say you do whatever, but at least try to do something upon your body so that whatever has been lost, at least you recover some part of it. At least your life should become a little easy. Life will become easy only when you regain the strength which you have lost. In a very simplistic term, there are basically 6 strengths of your body. These are called as Deha Bala, Dosha Bala, Dhatu Bala, Agni Bala, Mano Bala, Ojas Bala. These are various strengths, or you can also call it the metabolic strength of the human body. So it happens on 6 levels, and there are 7 different tissues which get formed because of this 6 level of metabolism. So what are those 7 tissues? Rasa, Rakta, Mansa, Meda, Athi, Majja, Shukra. So it requires 7 different levels of metabolism in the body for those tissues to actually form or get generated. Now, you have lost those 6 strengths. Is there any medicine which will make you gain those strengths? No. You, by taking anything from outside, chemical or non-chemical, even your Ayurvedic medicine will not help to gain those kind of strength. It will be just a little management or support. Yeah. Nothing else. You can't call it therapy. You can't.
Swamiji, please unmute yourself.
A little management, at least properly choose those kind of stuff, external stuff, which creates lesser harm. So what you can do? Give yourself a little time, 6 months. Operation can happen anytime. Operation can happen anytime. Give yourself 6 months of time. And in that 6 months, just work upon yourself. Even if you have to go for operation, if you have to want to go for operation, create the kind of strength through which, even if you're operated, the damage becomes very less. Your body is able to recover faster. So first increase the recovery strength of your body. And in the meanwhile, if you see you don't need, the support is enough that you can lead a better life, then you can even avoid going for some kind of a knee replacement.
Thank you, sir.
This is what you can think of, or you can do. At least give your body some time.
Thank you, sir.
Next.
धन्यवाद जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद सर.